congratulations because Jo Marie and Alex, kayo ang nanalo for today's Be Your Own Designer sa isang fun and exciting art workshop sa R-Cube Store.
Mas interesting ko sumibang sa akin, more than mas interesting ka sa akin.
Nasisiyag na pala ako.
Nasisiyag. Hindi kami nag-click.
Alam ko na sa sarili ko, klarong-klaro, na hindi talaga kami match, personality-wise.
Excited ka na?
Man. I mean, masarap order eh. Itong gaba.
Ayun nga, nag-coffee date kami ni Pupa. Gusto mong gabit para naka-heels ka eh.
Yung saray, pre!
Tawagan natin. Tolls. Hello.
Hi. Can I have one carrot cake?
And another lemon slice.
Thank you!
Thank you. Sheshe. Tama ba? Sheshe.
Hindi ko alam. Ganun ba?
Sheshe.
Shaimase! I do it.
Balita ko kumakanta ka daw.
Sino sabi sa'yo?
Balita ko lang.
Sino sabi sa'yo? Sino sabi?
Cheers tayo. Cheers!
Cheers. Thank you.
Ano hashtag natin?
Bawal na! Huwag mo lang sabihin yun. Never.
Pupa, tapos JC. Kayo na bahala dun. Pu!
So you really love it?
Sobra. Oh, huge. Thank you. Try natin.
Yeah. Very nice.
Try ko. Kala ko subuan mo. Hindi ako na. Kaya ko.
Hindi. Sige.
Sure ba?
No.
Doon ako natawa lalo sa kanya. Parang mas gumaan yung pakiramdam ko sa kanya. Ask na lang ako. Bakit 5 years? 5 years narinig ko nung sa kwentuhan natin. Parang 5 years kang single.
To be frankly honest, after nung first breakup, nag-vow talaga ako sa sarili ko, I'm never gonna be in a relationship again. But then, may realization din ako. Parang ano ba, testing ba? Kung talagang gusto ko yung ginagawa kong pagiging single. Or hindi. Baka it might change my mind. That's why I wanted to try this. Ikaw, why are you here?
Siguro gusto ko lang try din. Baka may mamit ako or makilala ako na open naman yung heart ko for everyone na kung sino man.
I want to be honest with you. Kanina, sabi ko, ayaw kitang makadit. Kasi na ako.
Grabe, walang hinto yung bibig niya. Nasabihin niya talaga kung ano yung gusto niya sabihin.
Honestly, type ko talaga mukha mo. Ikaw yung mga type ko talaga. Pero, I feel like we don't click. Dahil lang sa looks niya, parang I was drawn to him that time. Unlike with Jom na parang I was drawn to him because yung time na we spent. But no, I think parang okay naman.
Ako, as in talaga sabi ko, ikaw yung gusto ko makasama. As in legit, sobrang interesado ako sa'yo makilala.
Why?
Nung una kong pagpasok, diba, sobrang, sabi ko, parang ano to?
Sabi mo, intimidating.
Intimidating ka na boyish, tapos parang nando ka lang, hindi ka nagsasalita nun yung time na yun.
Yeah. Okay, makes sense.
Bagay sa'yo, David.
Hinigan ko lang to. Kay Danny to.
Kay Danny.
Kasi wala na akong damit. Tapos yung lahat ng damit ko, puro geng-geng.
Oo.
Sabi na, hindi pwede.
Share na lang din ako, siguro about life na lang.
Yeah.
Breadwinner ako sa family ko.
Eldest ka?
Pangatlo. Tapos apat kami. Then yun. Artista. Sa parang gusto ko na mag-stop. Parang ayoko na talaga. Then one time, bigla na lang to. Yung mga parang hindi pala dapat.
Yeah.
Kaya sabi ko, thanks.
I
Thank
think
God.
para sa'yo, binigyan ka ng sign. God. So if I would date anyone, gusto ko din yung the same honesty as I am. And I felt na genuine siya to open up to me. And then I can see that he was really trying.
Feel ko sa'yo din, yun sa pangarap mo.
Gusto ko talaga singer, like world ba? Top charts.
Sabi
Like,
ni
world
singer
tours,
ka
yun talaga. Pero sobrang layo yun nun. So parang, I guess, para hindi lang ako mag-regret sa huli, gusto ko lang gawin step by step.
Na-feel ko nun, nung nakausap ko siya about sa mga nakwento niya, mas naging interesado ako sa kanya. Thank you.
So yung take care sa kanila.
Sa kanila din siguro.
Thank you. He was also a good listener and then parang I enjoyed my time with him as well.
Tara.
Yeah. One more chance to ask one question to a dater of your choice, no follow-ups.
Ready ka na ba magmahal ulit?
It's like, yes, I do. Ay, hindi pa pala. After a very tiring game, then the others went to the date. Then we went to Hutong restaurant.
Fine dining restaurant.
This restaurant is called Hutong Hong. It's an award-winning Chinese restaurant here in Simshatchoy.
Ang ganda-ganda ng lugar, ang sarap ng pagkain. So it was a perfect moment for us to bond, to know each other more.
Time check, our love clock is almost over. Kaya naman we arranged a little bit of a get-together para makamusta kayo, kamusta ang mga puso nyo, or kung may napupusuan na ba kayo na pang forever.
Tonight, we want to give you one more chance to ask one question to a dater of your choice, no follow-ups. Are you game?
Yes.
Jo Marie,
Ako agad. Last time kasi ako yung last eh. Cheers muna. Cheers muna.
Wait. Pancho, cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Okay, ikaw na, tol. Game.
Tapos na ako, ikaw na.
Wala pa, bro.
Wala pa ba? Nabigla ako na ako first. Tapos pag ikaw first, setting the tone to eh.
Okay, yung dater na tatanungin ko is, Pupa, how did you feel after nung 10-minute talk natin?
Tinanong ko yun kay Pupa kasi ako, sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa conversation namin na yun.
After the talk that we had, I made up my mind na you were the person out of the four na I got to talk to in a really natural conversation and I had so much fun.
Hindi ko in-expect yung answer mo.
Inuhuli mo ako, Pupa eh. Parang kinukuha mo ako eh.
Napasmile siya.
Napasmile
Parang
ako.
kinilig siya.
Mas dahil nga doon sa question ko na yun, solidify yung choice ko.
Feeling ko, we have the same humor, tapos we have the same parang thoughts. So yun, parang ang saya niya maging friend.
Next would be Victoria.
So since I never really got to talk to Polo, once lang, and kanina, na-curious ako, if you could do this show all over again, what would you have done differently?
I think I should have been more approachable. Kasi medyo intimidating ako and ikaw rin nagsabi nun, diba? So, I think I should have been more approachable.
Actually, nag-iisip lang ako ng tanong na hindi niya ma-filter yung sagot niya.
Me, myself, madami akong bad stuff na I'm still dealing with, I'm still trying to fix.
Polo, since ikaw na ang sumagot.
This question is for Danny.
Medyo kinabahan ako because I really don't know what's running in his mind. I don't know if he likes me. I don't know if he's considering me for this.
Danny, medyo nabitin ako sa time natin dito. Siyempre, 4 days lang. And my question is, do you think after the show, pagbalik natin ng Pilipinas, may chance pa na magkita tayo ulit?
Wait, stop. So you're telling me that you're considering me out of all the girls?
Daya, kasi parang yun yung i-ask ko sa yung question. But, yes.
Yes?
So, syempre, sinagot ko, yes. Like, yes, I do. Ay, hindi pa pala. But, sorry.
Why?
I'm looking forward to it. That was the answer I was hoping for, and I got it, and I'm happy.
Okay, next. Danny, since ikaw naman ang sumagot.
The question is for Polo also.
What would you say is something that you most like about me and least like about me?
Most para sa akin, I really like how you're very natural when you talk to us. And you're very genuine. And yung gusto mong sabihin, sinasabi mo. No matter what it is. And I really appreciate that.
Aw, thank you.
And yung least?
Least like... Siguro least like moment na lang. Siguro nung hinat-seat niyo ako dun sa social house. Like, medyo alam niyo naman yung answer ko na it wasn't meant to be offending, pero you took it that way.
Okay. Okay, valid. I'm sorry. When he said what he said, wala, super na-appreciate ko lang siya.
Okay, let's move on to the next dater. Ron?
This question is for Jo Marie. Pare. So, gusto ko lang malaman kung sino ba talaga yung gusto mo. Si Pupa, si Alex, or meron pa ba sa kanila? Ayun lang, tol. Gulat ka, na?
Hindi, nagulat talaga ako. Ba't ako tinanong ni Ron? Dapat girl yung tatanungin, di ba? Pero, okay, sige, baka gusto niya. Pag-usapan namin to. Face to face na as magkaibigan.
Nag-iisip pa ako eh. Nagda-decide pa ako. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, for sure di kita tataluin.
Yung intention ko at attention ko na kay Alex, mas matimbang pa rin yung kaibigan ko eh. So, ayoko lang kami magkaroon ng misunderstanding.
Baka nga hindi rin niya talaga ako type.
Ang next na tatanungin natin ay si Alex.
This question is for JC. I'm sure naman you are very much aware na most of us are into you. How do you feel about it?
Siguro happy din ako kasi may interesado sa akin. Sana tong memories na to, na pasaya ko rin kayo nung magkakasama tayo. Sana happy kayo na nakasama niyo rin ako.
Okay. Ang next na magtatanong naman ay si JC.
For Alex, ready ka na ba magmahal ulit?
Yeah. Yes, ang sagot. Okay.
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 So next na tatanungin natin, of course, is si Pupa.
So Ron, are you trying to be someone you're not here?
I wanted to give him a chance to explain if ganun lang ba talaga siya or parang, you know, I just wanted like a reason.
Ganda nun, tol ah.
Yeah. I think no. Pwedeng tanong nilang lahat yan eh. Tanong nila lahat yun. Sadyang si Pupa lang yung may kayang magtanong nun sa akin. Ako kasi yung guy na hindi ko pinipilit yung sarili ko to fit into your world or kung saan man kayo nasanay. And it's fine, it's okay. Hindi naman ako apektado doon or hindi naman ako malulungkot doon. Kung sino ako ngayon, I mean kung ano yung nakikita niyo, ito ako in real life.
Okay naman pala si Ron. I don't hate him that much anymore. Probably I misunderstood him the first few days, pero now I think he's okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Well, thank you so much, daters, for opening up.
Pero alam mo ako, Wancho, now na they've opened up their hearts sa atin, if I may, as your ate, ang ma-advise ko is get to know that person that you really want or like.
I don't know where you guys are, pero most likely to an extent, nandito kayo ngayon because you want to find that connection. Don't try too hard, but be genuine in the connections that you have. Oh, guys, cheers tayo.
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
Oh my God, is he crying? Yun yung nasa isip ko.
I don't think I want to talk about that. I'm not ready yet.
Paglabas niyang ganun, umiiyak si Polo. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Wait lang.
Okay.
I'm so sorry, Polo.
You know, be in the moment. Huwag masyadong shock. Although, well, yeah, I was conscious too about my ano. Pero Diba? Sometimes, you're too image ko. Yung ano ko. Right? Parang
So I feel like that was a moment for me to also tell the boys what the girls collectively thought.
Right.
No, because I feel like the guys are all filtered.
That's what we felt the first time.
Yeah, we had a hard time parang getting to know them, most especially the 3 first guys.
Ron, anong masasabi mo doon?
Nung one time ito eh.
Ano?
Feeling ng girls ang filtered daw ninyong boys.
Hindi ko naman masay na parang filtered lahat yung sinasabi namin. Siguro meron lang din kaming iniisip na parang okay ba to pag sinabi namin sa inyo? I mean, nandun din yung ano namin parang may pake din kami sa pwede nyo sabihin o sa pwede nyo maramdaman. Pero it doesn't mean na hindi kami totoo, parang gano'n. Gusto mo bang i-prove na tama kayo? Na lahat ng iniisip ng girls is tama? Nagkakaisa kayo doon? Or, hindi ko alam, gusto nila ako atakihin or what?
Also, kasi it's been a while since I have actually put myself out there. I'm not used to really talking or even flirting anymore. So, that's one of the reasons ba't sumali din ako dito is to see how it goes kung paano, if I can still do it, if I still have game, if I can still talk, if meron pa akong confidence. And yeah, I can say, nung first days, yeah, wala talaga.
Pero parang I felt like we weren't likable. Or feeling ko, may feeling din ako, part of it. Ito din na-realize ko sa buong stay ko here. Sobrang man-hater ko at judgmental din talaga. May huge wall ako sa mga lalaki na parang hindi ko din sila masisi because ganun ako mag-isip sa kanila. Parang okay naman pala kasi parang at first ako yung namamock. So I'm really sorry. A lot of people don't even know na may ganito akong side na I might cry. I don't wanna cry. Pangit makeup. Sorry. No. Yun, parang my family doesn't even know me, so that's why I'm here. More than finding someone, I think,
You wanted to find yourself.
oh my God, I don't wanna cry, sorry. I don't think I'm easy to understand, honestly. Kasi nga may wall ako lagi pagdating sa ganun. Kasi I don't mind growing old alone. I'd rather be alone than be with someone who makes me feel alone. Yeah, more than finding someone, it's parang learning to be authentic and being okay with it. Sorry. Because I'm afraid of being seen, so I feel like, yeah.
Parang naramdaman ko sa puso ko yun, medyo gumuhit siya. And I felt like I had to say something and it was my responsibility na to make her feel seen as well nung moment na yun. Kaya I told Don na I have something to say.
Oh, I want to be honest. I think, dahil nag-open up ka, I think right now I'm more interested in you. Medyo hindi ka nga seen. And I just want you to know, I know what it feels to be unseen. Kasi sa dad ko, I have a lot of siblings as well. And ako yung pinaka hindi napapansin kasi I didn't grow up with my dad as well. I know how much it hurts.
Nung na-trigger ako, hindi ko alam bakit. Nararamdaman ko sa chest ko hanggang umakit na sa ulo ko, hanggang palabas na ng mata ko. Kaya sabi ko, sorry, excuse me.
I don't want to open this part of me, actually.
Oh my God, is he crying? Yun yung nasa isip ko. Okay.
I don't think I want to talk about that. I'm not ready yet.
Tapos, umexit siya.
So medyo na-shock ako nung una. Parang I didn't know what to feel. I didn't know na may ganung feeling siya. Ayun nga, I fell short as a friend. I should have known.
Oh, trauma. I know, right? Paglabas niyang ganun, umiiyak si Polo. Eh, feeling ko na-trigger ko siya. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Wait lang.
Okay.
So sorry po. Kaya
Sige,
mo?
no, it's not
Kaya mo?
Honestly, that was the first time na na-trigger ako ng ganun.
Pero kaya mo. Hindi ko lang.
The moment na may magpapafeel sa'yo ng safe, kahit sino pa yan, ma-appreciate mo talaga yun. And yun yung ginawa ni Victoria that time. She made me feel safe. Nung time na I was very, very vulnerable and a little bit lost sa emotions ko.
Sorry guys. Ba't ka nagsasorry? Wala ba? Shut ka ba na? Shut ka ba? Wala. Sorry.
You want to talk about it?
Honestly, I don't. But I think I should face this. Yeah, this is my relationship with my dad. Okay naman kami, nagkikita kami. Every now and then, I hug him, say hi to him. Pero sobrang ramdam kita nung sinabi mo yung unseen. Kasi I have 6 siblings. And kahit ano gawin ko, you can't seem to see me. Sorry. And I'm not saying my dad is a bad guy. I'm not saying he's a bad person. But sometimes I just want to be appreciated.
Gusto ko lang malaman mo na may sarili ka rin pinagdadaanan, may sarili ka rin pain, may sarili ka rin traumas. At bilang anak mo, kahit di ko naintindihan yun, gusto kong intindihan yun. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano kasi hindi naman ganun yung relationship natin. Medyo tough love ka sa akin eh. At naintindihan ko yun, na-appreciate ko yun. Pero gusto ko malaman mo na hindi ka man perfectong ama. Para sa akin, ikaw pa rin yung amang hihilingin ng kahit sino. Love you, Dad. Love you, Dee.
Nasasaktan ako for him kasi I felt bad as a friend na hindi man lang namin nakamusta, okay ka ba sa family mo?
Sobrang bilib ako kay Polo kasi kinaya niyang i-face yun. Yung trauma na yun, yung struggle na yun.
Polo, I know that you know that I'm always here, even if it doesn't seem like it. But if you need help or if you need anyone, I'm always here. Promise you.
You know, Polo, I know it's hard. So thank you for opening up. We're here for you. We see you, we feel you, and we hear you. So don't worry. Nandito kami para sa'yo.
Thank you, man. Love you guys.
Can we have another group hug? Yes, please.
Group hug! Love you guys! Love you guys.
And after a whirlwind tour of the vibrant and energetic Hong Kong, nahanap na kaya ng ating daters ang kanilang perfect match? Well, today is the day.
Well, I'm nervous lang because I don't know who you're gonna pick also.
Nothing's fine, I'm torn.